Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can comment on Reels, so let's get right into it. So commenting on Reels on Instagram is pretty much as easy as commenting on anything else, and for that you just need to enter the reel comments and then you'll be able to leave your own in that section. Now, as you can see, I have a reel up on my screen right now, and if I wanted to comment, as you can see, you have this speech bubble right below the reel. You can click that and then it'll open up the comments where you'll be able to add a comment for the user that you're commenting to and to their post. So just click on that, tap on that, and type in the comment you want. Alternatively, if you're in the full reel view, you can just click the speech bubble at the right, do the same thing, and that should be it. Now, I'm not going to comment on a random reel, so I'm going to go over into my account, go ahead and locate one of my reels. And for example, let's say this one, click on the comment icon or the speech bubble, and then I'm going to go ahead and leave a comment named test. Click the arrow to send it, and as you can see, the test comment has been sent, and now it is live on that reel. It'll also show you when the comment was posted, so you can see that as well. You can also like the comment or unlike it if you want to, and if you want to reply to somebody directly, you just click reply right below their comment, and let's say not now, click reply, and it should give you the @ of the person that you're trying to reply to, and also you'll see that you're replying to that account. If you disable that, then you're just going to leave a point blank account, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.